That's my job done for today. Maybe I should take an early night. It feels very quiet without Lizzie, Cherry and Lila. I wish they weren't so busy at this time. I wish I wasn't alone here.
Why, hello there, little one.
Ah! What? Oh, hello. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bother your sleep.
It's quite all right, my dear. Besides, it's quite nice to have some company, especially.
You're new around here, are you?
Why, of course. I worked on the Great Western. The engines there were very nice and friendly. Tell me, little one, does an engine named Larry live here?
Yes, you know him?
Oh, I do know him. I'm his older brother. He's a kind soul to any engine.
Indeed. From what Lila has said, he works on his own branch line from time to time.
I wish I could see him again.
Well, why not see him tomorrow? I could take you to his branch line.
Well, that would be nice. I can't wait to see him.
Indeed you would.
Anyways, it's getting late. We should get some sleep.
All right, I'll take you to see Larry tomorrow.
All right.
Thank goodness that was a dream. I'm sorry if I woke you up. Hello? Hey, Garrett. Can I ask you something?
Sure, Lisa. What is it?
Have you seen a Great Western tank engine by any chance?
Yeah, we have Larry, but he wasn't painted.
No, not Larry. His brother.
I don't recall another Great Western tank engine around here aside from Larry. Unless...
Garrett, we need to take this goods train to the Western Branch.
Oh, right. Sorry, Lisa. I have to go.
It's fine. I understand. I don't know who that engine is, nor what he wants, but I might be having a talk with Brandon and Dave.